Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to set up a startup channel on itel and Syinix digital televisions. So if, for example, the TV was left in the USB input and we just turn it off, if we turn the TV back on, it will automatically turn to the startup channel. Now, disclaimer, I have not tried this tutorial on itel and Syinix Android TVs. This tutorial is only for itel and Syinix digital televisions. So on whatever model or brand of TV you tried this tutorial on, please tell me in the comments below if it works or not. Now, to set up a startup TV, we are going to enter into something known as the hotel mode. And to enter into hotel mode, you just press the menu button and scroll down to feature and enter OK. And in lock, just enter OK and enter your password. The default password is usually 0000. And in feature, just scroll down to hotel mode and press enter. Now in hotel setting, in case it was in the off position, just press the right navigation button to enable it, just like that. Scroll down to set source and press the right navigation button. And at the bottom here, you can see it has been enabled. We are going to set whatever channel you want to happen when you turn this TV on. So it doesn't matter if you left it in analog TV or AV or HDMI or USB. Whenever you shut this TV off, whenever you turn it on, it's going to switch to this channel. I think I'm going to set it to channel, I thought it was 104 or something. And then I'm just going to exit. So if, for example, the TV was left in the USB input and we just turn it off, if we turn the TV back on, it will automatically turn to the startup channel, which is the channel we just set, which is channel number 104. So that is the power of the startup channel. And you can use this tutorial to your liking. For example, if you have someone in your home who doesn't know anything about tech, but they love watching the episode, so don't leave them hanging just by leaving the TV in HDMI or any other thing. You can just set up startup channel, and when they switch off the TV and on back again, the TV will be set to the setup startup channel. Alternatively, you can set whatever source you want to show up when you turn on the TV. It can be HDMI 1 or 2, USB, iCast, or even AV or component input. I don't know why they just write this instead of just component. No one understands what this is.